What if the most powerful healing foods on earth aren't in a pharmacy or a supplement store, but in a pot on your grandmother's stove? For thousands of years, before hospitals, before antibiotics, entire civilizations were healing themselves with soup. Soldiers recovered from battle with it. The sick were nursed back to health with it. Families survived plagues and famines because of it. These weren't random recipes. They were refined over generations by people who understood, through necessity, exactly what a suffering body needed. And here's what's remarkable. Modern science is now catching up. Researchers are testing these ancient soups and finding that the ingredients genuinely work. Not because of tradition alone, but because the chemistry is real. Here are the first 10 of the most powerful forgotten healing soups in human history. 1. Avgolemono, Greece, the ancient fever broth. Avgolemono is a Greek soup made from just 3 things: chicken broth, eggs, and lemon. That's it. And yet Greek families have reached for it for thousands of years whenever someone falls sick. Here's why. The chicken broth releases collagen, electrolytes, and amino acids that the body absorbs almost immediately, even when digestion is under stress. The eggs provide complete protein for immune cell production and tissue repair. The lemon delivers vitamin C, which supports immune function and collagen synthesis. Together you get protein, electrolytes, vitamin C, and easy-to-absorb collagen in one bowl. Think of it as the IV drip your body actually wants, made from ingredients your great-grandmother would recognize. 2. Canh la Giang, Vietnam, the digestion awakener. Have you ever been so unwell that even the thought of eating felt impossible? That's exactly the condition this Vietnamese soup was created for. Canh la Giang is a sour chicken soup built around a wild herb called la Giang. Its intense sourness is the entire point. When you're sick, your body redirects energy away from digestion and toward immunity. Your stomach produces less acid. Digestion slows. You stop absorbing the nutrients you desperately need. The sour compounds in la Giang directly stimulate digestive enzyme production, essentially signaling your gut to wake up and start processing again. This is food doing real physiological work. The herb doesn't grow outside Southeast Asia, which is why this soup never reached Western kitchens, but the principle behind it appears in healing traditions across the world. It's the soup that reminds your body it still knows how to heal. 3. Caldo de Huesos, Latin America, the gut rebuilder. Bone broth had a trendy moment in the West recently. Latin American families never needed the trend. They never stopped making it. Caldo de Huesos has been simmering in kitchens from Mexico to Argentina for centuries. The traditional wisdom is consistent everywhere. Drink it when you're sick, when you're recovering, when your gut is struggling, when your joints ache. When bones are simmered for 8 to 12 hours, they release collagen, gelatin, and amino acids, particularly glycine. Glycine directly supports the integrity of the gut lining. A damaged gut lining is at the root of a surprising number of chronic health conditions, and glycine is one of the most effective nutritional tools for repairing it. The minerals released, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, are also in highly bioavailable forms the body can use efficiently. This is one of the most nutritionally solid soups on this list. Not folk medicine, food science with scent. 4. Borscht, Eastern Europe, the blood and liver tonic. Borscht is instantly recognizable by its deep red color. But most people who eat it have no idea they're looking at one of the most nutritionally dense soups ever created. The centerpiece is beets, and beets are serious medicine. They're rich in betalains, the pigments that give beets their color, which have documented anti-inflammatory and liver protective effects. Traditional herbalists in Eastern Europe prescribed beets specifically for liver complaints. Modern research now explains exactly why that worked. Beets also contain dietary nitrates, which the body converts to nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Combined with cabbage, carrots, onions, and beans, borscht delivers fiber, folate, vitamin C, iron, and liver-supporting compounds in one bowl. Borscht was dismissed for generations as peasant food. Meanwhile, the same culture started selling beet juice as a performance supplement. 5. Samgyetang, Korea. The 2,000-year immune weapon. This is arguably the most scientifically fascinating soup on the list. Samgyetang is made by stuffing a whole young chicken with glutinous rice, garlic, jujube dates, and ginseng, then simmering everything for hours until the broth is rich, golden, and deeply fortifying. It's been eaten in Korea for over 2,000 years. Ginseng, specifically Panax ginseng, is one of the most extensively studied botanicals in the world. Clinical research confirms its effects on immune modulation, fatigue reduction, and stress response. Its active compounds, called ginsenosides, interact directly with immune cells. Garlic brings allicin, with documented antimicrobial properties. Jujube dates provide antioxidants and vitamins. The whole chicken, slow-cooked for hours, releases collagen and a full spectrum of amino acids. Samgyetang supports immunity, reduces fatigue, rebuilds protein stores, and feeds the gut, all at the same time. Was practically invented for something like this. Samgyetang just didn't need the marketing. 6. Harira, Morocco, the recovery engine. Every evening during Ramadan, across Morocco, the fast is broken with a bowl of harira. That single fact tells you everything about its role as a recovery food. After a full day without food or water, the body needs to be carefully refueled, not shocked with heavy food, but gently and intelligently restored. Harira was designed over centuries to do exactly that. The base is tomatoes, lentils, and chickpeas, spiced with ginger, turmeric, cinnamon, and black pepper, finished with fresh herbs and lemon. Lentils and chickpeas together provide complete protein and slow-releasing fiber, preventing blood sugar spikes after fasting. Turmeric and ginger reduce inflammation. Cinnamon supports blood sugar regulation, and black pepper contains piperine, which increases the body's absorption of curcumin from turmeric by up to 2,000%. These combinations weren't chosen randomly. They were refined over generations by a culture that noticed what actually matters. People feel better. The result is a soup that manages blood sugar, reduces inflammation, and rebuilds protein stores, all in one bowl. 7. Ash Reshteh, Iran, the micronutrient bomb. Ash Reshteh is so ancient, it's served at Nowruz, the Persian New Year, as a symbol of health and vitality for the year ahead. The base is beans, lentils, and wheat noodles. Then comes what makes this soup extraordinary, a massive quantity of fresh herbs. Spinach, parsley, cilantro, fenugreek, and dill, not as a garnish, but as a primary ingredient by volume, wilted directly into the broth. On top goes kasht, a fermented whey product, plus turmeric and fried onions. The fresh herbs deliver folate, iron, vitamins A, C, and K, and magnesium in quantities a standard multivitamin would struggle to match. The legumes provide complete plant protein and prebiotic fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. The kasht introduces live probiotic cultures for gut health. Turmeric adds anti-inflammatory benefits. Protein, probiotics, prebiotics, multiple vitamins and minerals, all in one bowl. Ash Reshteh makes a daily multivitamin look like a half-heart. 8. Sopa de ajo, Spain. The garlic antimicrobial sopa de ajo, Spanish garlic soup, sounds almost insultingly simple. Garlic, stale bread, olive oil, eggs, paprika, and broth. That's it. And yet this soup has been the cold and flu remedy of the Iberian Peninsula for centuries. The key is the garlic, and not a small amount. A proper sopa de ajo uses an entire head, sautéed in olive oil and simmered in broth until it breaks down completely. During this process, allicin and related sulfur compounds are released into the liquid, creating a broth that is genuinely antimicrobial. Laboratory studies confirm that garlic extracts are effective against a range of bacteria and viruses, including some antibiotic-resistant strains. The eggs, poached directly in the broth, add complete protein for immune repair. The olive oil delivers anti-inflammatory fats. The stale bread provides easily digestible energy. This was medicine built from the cheapest ingredients in the Spanish kitchen. Cheap ingredients were doing serious physiological work. Genius doesn't need to be complicated. 9. Tinola, Philippines. The inflammation quencher. Tinola is a clear ginger-based chicken broth loaded with green papaya and moringa leaves, called malunggay in the Philippines. The ginger releases gingerols and shogaols, compounds with documented anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea effects. Clinical trials have confirmed ginger's effectiveness against nausea, including chemotherapy-induced nausea and morning sickness. For gut inflammation and digestive discomfort, ginger broth is genuinely therapeutic. The moringa leaves are extraordinary. Nutritional scientists describe moringa as one of the most nutrient-dense plants ever studied. More vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, more iron than spinach. Complete plant protein. Filipino families have known this for centuries. The rest of the world is only just catching up. Tinola is light enough for a sensitive stomach, to break a fever, and nutritious enough to actually rebuild what illness takes from the body. 10. Soto ayam, Indonesia, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Calling soto ayam Indonesian chicken soup is accurate but deeply misleading. This is nothing like the mild chicken soups of the Western world. Soto ayam is built on a heavily spiced broth made with lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, and fresh turmeric root, not turmeric powder, but actual fresh root, which contains the full spectrum of curcuminoids, along with essential oils that enhance absorption in ways isolated extracts can't replicate. Curcumin from turmeric has been studied in thousands of clinical papers, documenting anti-inflammatory effects and potential benefits for conditions from arthritis to metabolic syndrome. Galangal, a relative of ginger, adds its own anti-inflammatory compounds. Lemongrass has antimicrobial properties. Together, these ingredients don't just add up, they work synergistically, each amplify the effects of the others. Indonesian medicine never separated food from healing. Soto ayam is the fullest expression of that philosophy. A soup that feeds you and repairs you at the same time. These 10 soups represent thousands of years of accumulated human wisdom about how food heals the body. Every culture figured out, through careful observation across generations, how to take local ingredients and turn them into something genuinely therapeutic. Modern science is now confirming what they already knew. If this changed the way you think about food as medicine, hit that like button and subscribe, because next week we're covering soups 11 through 20, and the healing gets even more powerful.